Halsbury's Laws of Australia contains details of comparative legislation where there is a known equivalent. To make things easier, we need to set a pre-filter so that the search box only searches Halsbury's. Start typing Halsbury's and click on the title. Notice that the pre-filter changes from Search Everything to Halsbury's Laws of Australia. There is a set way of typing in your search string in the format of the full title of the Act, pre/5 and the section number. As an example, let's look to see if there are any equivalents to Section 33 of Queensland Succession Act 1981. Type in Succession Act 1981 pre/5 33. In your results list, you are looking for results where you can see legislation from other jurisdictions mentioned. The result is always in the footnotes and not in the main text. Legislation mentioned under the same footnotes are considered equivalents. If you have our legislation module Law Now, you can click on the links to view the legislation itself or find relevant case law by searching for cases on these sections.